Hi everyone, it's Claire here today with a new video for the Killing Kit series that I'm doing in collaboration with the Counterfeit Kit challenge. Today's video is rather short and sweet, but it has been a long time coming. These tiny little squares that you'll see me using are from my Rose Garden Counterfeit Kit from October 2011. So they've been in my stash a rather long time. And they've been in this format for a long time too. It seems that at the end of my kit, I don't know what I intended to do with all of these little squares, but I did punch them out of my kit ready to use. Once I started sorting through each of the little punches, I realised that there was probably also leftovers from another kit, possibly two kits. I'm not entirely certain, but the mix of papers is a little bit different. So what you'll see me doing is pulling out mainly the pink ones just to use in one sheet, and then I'm going to pull out some of the Rose Garden and then a selection of other pieces which I kind of think are basic grey, and they might have been from a kit or from a project. I'm going to do the same process with each of the little punches from the three selections that I've got here, so that I end up with three stitched backgrounds. I haven't done anything with those backgrounds so far, but when I've done this previously, I've used these as the basis of journal covers, notebook covers, as a background on a card, or as a full sheet or a layout. So depending on how many little bits and pieces you've got left over and how much surface area they cover, you could use this as an idea for lots of different projects. It's worth trying very hard to align the pieces as you glue them down. It does make the quality of the finished piece look better, but if you do have a sewing machine and you can stitch over the top, then the stitching, well, it kind of adds a little bit of texture and interest to the final piece, and it also hides those small imperfections. That's it for today. You can pop over and speak to me in the Facebook community group for the Counterfeit Kit Challenge, and I'll link to that below, or you can leave me a comment here on YouTube. That's it. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.